Hello there. Welcome to Contlo. In this video, let us understand how a list is created using Contlo. A list is a snapshot or group of user data like names, contact numbers, email addresses, etc. Let us see how to create one manually. Start by navigating to the Audience tab from the Contlo's main dashboard. All the contacts added by the user recently will appear on the screen. Select List from the top sub-menu. This is where all the existing lists that are created will be shown. To create a new list, select the Create List button. Start by giving the list a name. For now, let's name it Daily Newsletter. Click on Upload Contacts to proceed. Once you do that, a pop-up window appears on the screen, giving the user two options to create a new list. The user can either upload a CSV or an Excel sheet and import the data via a file upload, which contains the contact information of the customers. Choose the desired file and upload it. The data inside the file is now visible on your screen, distributed in unique cells. Click on Next and map out the various data fields by assigning the phone number to its corresponding column header, like POC number. The second option is to manually do the same using the inline editor. For this, click on the Click here to copy-paste table data and type down the contact numbers that need to go into the list. You will need delimiters to specify the beginning and end of the independent data nodes. Contlo has a few options available on the bottom right drop-down tab titled Delimiter. Let's use the comma for now. Once you have added the required details, click on Next. After entering the data using either of these methods, click on Next. The data is now being verified and processed. The processing time varies depending on the size of the file. If the data contains a mistake like a space or an unusual character, it is validated and treated as an error and is highlighted in red. The user then has the option to upload the revised file by starting the whole process again. But the best way is to delete the corrupted cells or correct them manually. The user can also add a new contact to the list by clicking on Add in the verification stage. Once all the necessary changes have been made, a message appears signifying the successful creation of the list. Click on Create List. The list has now been created. This is how your final list looks like. To view the created list, navigate back to the Audience tab on the Contlo dashboard. The most recently created list usually appears on the top. However, if you are unable to find it, take the help of the Search tab to find the list you created. Now let's add new contacts in the daily newsletter list. In case you wish to add a single contact to this existing list, choose the desired list, in this case Daily Newsletter, and click on the Add Contact tab to add a single contact. The data fields must be manually added, with the contact number and email address being the important data fields. Email and SMS consent must be given if you are sending email or SMS campaigns. And the opt-in permission checkbox at the bottom end must be ticked in order to successfully add the subscriber to the list. This is a mandatory step while adding a single contact to an existing list. An Excel file can also be uploaded and merged to the existing list. The new data will be appended in the collection, removing all the duplicates if there exists any. If the user wishes to delete a list, the user can choose the desired list and click the Delete tab on the top right-hand corner. This concludes how you can create a list using Contlo. That's all for this video. See you next time.